All of this could have been avoided if you didn't make a phone call.
That's right.
They cut down my favorite tree.
Lucy?
They're replacing this whole drainage system that runs all the way through my property out to the creek. It's falling in. That's all caving in. That's got to be replaced. They brought this monster in here. You know, instead of asking a man about his property, they took it upon themselves to decide to butcher my tree. It's a beautiful tree. It's over 150 some years old from what I'm checked that out on. But they whacked the shit out of my tree because they got to replace the whole thing. So they showed up this morning just like union workers, did a little bit of work, and of course haul ass. But pretty soon this is going to look like the fields of Iraq. Unbelievable, bud. Unbelievable. See ya!